how to turn off keyboard click sound on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are you tired of the keyboard click sounds on your iPhone? Then don't worry, I'm here to help you out. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up the settings on your iPhone and then scroll down, tap on sounds and haptics, then scroll down and there you'll see keyboard feedback. Tap on it and you just have to toggle off the sound and haptic. Now, once you toggle it off, the sounds will also be turned off. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.